Hi everybody, how you doing? Chris McMahon here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm a local real estate agent here in the upstate New York capital region, Albany, Saratoga Springs, Lake George area. So it's your first time to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you get notified when we got new videos coming out. Because today we're coming at you, we're doing the August 2021 market report. We're doing the recap here, and we're going to jump right into in our first area that we're going to cover, and we're going to be talking about Saratoga Springs here. So the median sales price for the month of August in Saratoga was $505,000. Average days on the market is 14, down considerably from last month, which was 41. The number of listings is 52, is about the same. And the number of solds dropped slightly, about 10 or so, to 52 for the number of solds. And so we're moving a little bit south here to directly in between Albany and Saratoga, and we're going to be talking about Clifton Park. So Clifton Park, the median sales price, $352,000 for the month of August. And that was down $20,000 from the previous month, the month of July. So number of days on the market dropped quite a bit here too. It went down to 14, so 2 weeks on the market, which last month it was 35. And for those of you who are curious, all our information does come from the local MLS here. And the number of listings was up slightly to 28. And the number of solds for the month in Clifton Park was 59. So moving on, we're going to head all the way down south to the capital. We're talking Albany here. So Albany, median sales price, roughly about the same, $230,000 for the month of August. It was, I think, what, $228 in the month of July, I think. So it was about the same pretty much. So, and we're talking days on the market is 13. That also dropped because last month it was 20. Listings shot up 16 more than last month. There were 71 listings, so a couple more listings on the market for them as well. And the number of solds was 86 for Albany. Boston Spa, which is right next door to Saratoga Springs, Boston Spa had a median sales price this month of $331,000, which made a big jump from last month, which was $34,000 jump from last month is what we got there. Number of days on the market, roughly the same. 9 days are selling quick in Boston Spa, so make sure you're prepared if you're looking to buy in that area. Listings were 26 this month, and that's up 10. So we got a number of areas that are up here. We'll talk about that in just a second. And we've got the number of solds were 29 in that area. So it's a smaller area, so the numbers being a little bit lower than the other ones, you would expect to see that there. And let's go here to Glens Falls, Queensbury. We're going up north here. This is the farthest part north that I talk about here in this. But we got the median sales price of $235K, which is down $14,000 from last month. Days on the market is 19 days on the market. 14 was last month, so it is up slightly from the previous month. The number of listings, exactly the same. The number of listings, we're talking 36 for the number of listings. And sold, 44 sold. So let's recap this a little bit here, talk about a couple things that we're noticing. As far as the median sales price, it went up in one case where it took a pretty big jump in Boston Spa. It jumped 34, but it was down in Glens Falls, Queensbury. It was down in Clifton Park. It was down in Toga. 20,000 in Clifton Park, 14 in Queensbury and South Glens Falls. Saratoga was down 7. Albany was roughly the same. It was up slightly, a couple thousand, but it was pretty much the same there. So that's saying that, you know, something to look at there. Prices of houses, are they starting to come down a little bit? Something to keep an eye on. Too early to tell. Don't want to jump to conclusions, but it's definitely something that we're going to want to keep an eye on and talk about as things are coming down the road. Days on the market dropped in all areas. But another thing that is important to notice, that listings, with the exceptions of Glens Falls, Queensbury, which was exactly the same, all of the other 4 areas that we talk about were up with their number of listings. So our number of listings coming up. Prices, are they dropping down a little bit? Again, it's a little bit too soon to really know what's going on with the market, but those are some indicators that we're going to want to take a look at and keep an eye on as we move forward here. So that's the market report for the month of August in 2021. If I didn't cover an area that you're interested in, you want to know some more information, reach out, get a hold of me, either call, text, email, whatever it is that you're most comfortable with. My information is on my my channel, make sure you reach out, get a hold of me. I'll provide it in the description below as well. But reach out, get a hold of me, and I can do your own personal video and send it out to you, and I even kind of check out some of the market for you. And maybe even if you want your own personal video, I can go to a tour of a couple of the neighborhoods. But reach out, get a hold of me, and it starts with that, and let's have a conversation. And again, guys, we'll see. If you have first time to my channel, please subscribe, click the bell, and I will see you guys on the next video.